Guys, Brian back here with a look at Bone. All right, this thing has been super frustrating. All right, this thing came down to 51.7, 51.75 down here, 51.80. All right, as a low. Let's take a look and see what it was. 51.73. All right, that's been the low on this thing. Now let me go out here on a monthly and show you a few things. All right, we're going to take a look at some monthly support areas. Okay, so these are the areas that would be your best, your best support and resistance areas. All right, down here at the bottom, you have 46 cents down here. That's a very good support. You have the 51.80 where we have gotten a bounce from. All right, then after that, up here you have 56.64. All right here. And then after that you got 61.93. That's a monthly, and then we have a monthly up here at right about 67.62. Okay, these are monthly areas. All right, these are going to be your strongest support and resistance areas. All right, if this thing does slip and lose the 51.75, all right, then you got 45.72 is the next area. Now let's take a look at a few things. Okay, let's see if this could possibly be a bottom or not. All right, over here in coin market cap, we have $126.1 million market cap, 8.5 million in volume over the last 24 hours, ranked at number 286, down 0.5% for the day. All right, over here in the crypto bubbles, this is for the last hour. All right, Bitcoin has done a 702 retracement here, and it looks like it's starting to get a little bit of a bounce. This is for the day. All right, so the last hour you can see a lot of stuff starting, and it's not little, 3%. You're getting pretty decent bounces here. This is the top 100. All right, so starting to get a little bit of bounce out there. Now let's look at this chart. Okay, on the monthly, let's look at the RSI, see where it's at here. All right, we have a bullish monthly, 2.19 and a 1.46. All right, that's huge. All right, a 3-day, we're right at a 4.6 and a 10.4, right at the bottom. All right, it's just about reset. The daily. All right, let's take a look at it and see where it's at. All right, the daily is still coming down some. It's at a 0 and a 16. All right, so could it hold there? Absolutely could. All right, you can see here starting to flatten out a little bit here. Looking like it has grabbed some support here. The 12-hour bullish, a 3 and a 1. The 8-hour a bullish, a 6 and a 2, and the 4-hour is bullish at a 32 and 11, and you can see a green bounce starting here. All right, this is one of the biggest green candles we've had for a while here, going back through here on the 4-hour chart. All right, now the first area to take out is at 56. 56, call it 57 cents. Just call it 57. All right, we need to retake that area. If we can retake that area, that's the start of a rally here. All right, and then of course we have 62 cents up here, which is another massive area. You can see all through here it was resistance. All right, once we came down, lost it. It kept beating on it, trying to get it back, and then it just finally dropped. All right, then it lost that 56.64. Now it's come down here, and it looks like we have found some support down here, right, at 51.75. All right, if that would break, I don't think that's going to break, guys. I really don't. I think this is the bottom. All right, if it would break, watch for 45.72 to come in. But all the RSIs are pointing up. We have the 4 pointing up. We have the 8 bullish. We have the 12-hour bullish. The daily still coming down, almost there, a 0 and a 16. The weekly at a 7 and a 14. It's just about ready to go. And of course the monthly, it is bullish. All right, we've gotten a very nice bounce off of here. So keep your eye on that. Watch for 57 cents. If 57 cents breaks, that's the start of an upward rally. Then we got 62, and then we have 68 up here. All right, very important. Take it step by step. Keep an eye on these levels. We start retaking them, and then that's a sign of upward movement. We haven't had any retaking of any levels ever since this thing has started falling. We held this level here, dropped it. Held that level there, ended up dropping it. Okay, had that level, dropped it. We need to start regaining some of these levels. If this thing starts getting some momentum up and retaking these levels, that's the sign of a breakout here. All right, so keep a very, very close eye on this. Like I said, if it retakes 57 and then 62, that's huge. All right, and then if it takes out the 68 cents, then this thing could really, really start going. Okay, so all right, guys, thank you so very much. Let's go, man. Let's get bone going. This thing has just been flat. We need a run. All right, please hit the like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.